Hi guys, this is Asad from Xnix and I have just installed our latest 10.1-inch head unit with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, wired Android Auto into a Mitsubishi Lancer 2010 model. Just gonna give you a quick view. So once you turn on ACC, unit pretty much comes up instantly. We're first gonna connect the Bluetooth on the home screen. It will show up as BC8 Android. So we go on the Bluetooth on the phone and wait. BC8 Android, click on it. Code, which is 0000, so 0000 pair. It's pairing now, and that is connected. Now once Bluetooth is connected, we go here. So for the first time we go to Z-Link, which is going to give us wireless CarPlay. Is gonna work now, and in the Wi-Fi and you will get a message automatically, use CarPlay. So click on that. So now access point is there. It's just giving you a message, do not collect Bluetooth when CarPlay is connected. And there we go. So CarPlay is actually connected. We are in here, you can see our location. That's the CarPlay. Anything that you want to do, play music. There's there. So steering wheel controls are configured, so they're gonna work. That's the next song. As you can see, it's changing up. Obviously, phone is running low battery. Talking in my sleep at night. All right, so we can go back to home screen. Oh, sorry. All of these. All right, so on the home screen we have video, navigation, Play Store, radio, Bluetooth. Now there is no direct button for CarPlay, so what we can do is we can go into settings. We can go to navigation software, which is set up to maps. If you click here, scroll up, and we'll see Z-Link. Click here. Now that's being set up there. So next time when you want to go to CarPlay from home screen, that's all you have to do. So in CarPlay, and there you go. That's there. Back in here, that's your EQ. Changing the EQ, very easy. Let's go. I'm not sure if it's going through. There you go. Let's play. Oh. Don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. Free. Don't be afraid. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting nobody. Now this unit does have DSP module, so you can go high gain, you can change frequencies. You can also go through high pass, low pass filter setup. All right, back here, let's see, we're in the radio now. That's the radio. And you can just tune the channels, very easy. There you go. Again, fully controllable from the steering wheel controls. And that's your CarPlay. Whenever you want, wherever you want from. Now I'm standing back from it. I finally see the pattern. just turn the car on. Putting in the reverse, that's you can see our AHD 720p reverse camera with a brilliant reverse image. Alright, that's very quick. That's about it. If you want to set the time, obviously alright, just selecting Sydney, region Australia, select this back up, and you can see time has taken effect. This will change shortly as well. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching the quick video on our 10.1-inch Android unit for Mitsubishi Lancer, which is a plug and play setup with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Thank you. Bye-bye.